Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a slime shop review, and this is for Sprinkles Slime Shop. And I'm sorry about any background noises you hear. So yeah, and tell me down in the comments down below if you like my blue background better or my white background better. Let me know which one you like better, and I'll base it on your opinion. Before we get started, I wanted to show you this. I got a squishy, and it's like really squishy. It's from Amazon, but my brother ripped off the stem, and I got really big defense.
It's not yours!
Yeah, okay, that's what I mean about background noises, but I'm really sorry. Just really ignore that. Okay, so technically this is my brother's, but he gave it to the family, so I'm calling it mine, but my brother wanted me to say that, and so, yeah, let's get on with the video. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe, turn the notification bell right beside it to get notified every time I post another video, and click the thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below any more video suggestions. So, yeah, let's get on with the video. So, here is the package. It says my name, and then I covered up the addresses, and it's from S. Sprinkles Slime Shop, or Savannah. And this is actually a trade, so I sent her slimes. So, her channel will be in the description, and as well as her Etsy, and then you can go check out her video. And just disclaimer, I'm sick, so yeah. And there's this really convenient tab thing, so, and it even says pull tab to open. So, ooh, this is packaged really nice. Oh my gosh, my camera just completely fell off. Okay, thank you guys for bearing with me on that. Okay. Oh my gosh, a whole bunch of dust just flew everywhere. And we both sent each other 2 4-ounces, and we are surprising each other, so so much glue. Ew. It's kind of gross. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's lots of glue. I'm actually allergic to dust, so that's great. And so, these are the slimes. Oh my gosh, oh no, are you serious? This is amazing. It's an orange Dum Dum. How did she know orange was my favorite flavor of candy? I don't know. But it says note. Wow, I would have never guessed. So, it says, I hope you enjoy your slimes. So, the slimes are sour blue raspberry crunchy slime. And she said crunchy slime was her favorite, so. Red velvet cake, white plus white, red, and clear. And then, sorry if any of the slimes are melted, that is absolutely fine. I'm so excited that we did this. I will post the video whenever I can, and sorry that there are not labels. I forgot to put them on, and I already packaged it. That is totally fine. And let me tell you something. She sent a package to me, and then it got lost in shipping. Like, that's so sad. And then she sent me another one, which is, like, so nice. I don't know how many times I can thank you. That was so nice. And then it came with the borax. Definitely be using that. All Slimer needs that. Thank you. Ooh, and this is bubble wrapped really nicely. And I think this one is red velvet cake. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. And there's some tape on it. Perfect. So it's ultra package. And it looks like it's actually ombre, because it said it's white, red plus clear. Oh, so is it like an avalanche slime? Oh, if it is, it's going to be so amazing. Oh, it is a little sticky, but that's okay. I'm going to clean everything. So I'm going to go get some activator for this, and I'll get back to you. I'm not sure if you can see it on this camera, but it's marbled. It's actually not too sticky, surprisingly. So, this slime, oh my gosh, this is an awesome texture. It's like super thick. And it's like a really nice, cute pink. Sorry about this cringy stuff. This is a super glossy, thick slime, and I really do think it was an avalanche slime because it has like that texture. I'm not sure if it really reminds me of red velvet cake, but that's okay. That's still like a really pretty name. I'm just not sure if it represents slime too much, and I'm sorry if I'm playing with it really weird. I got a boo-boo, and so I don't really want to put slime on it. And that's the slime I write with and play with slime with. So yeah. And I'm sorry if in any part of the video you can't see the slime. Still getting used to this new setup. Or maybe new setup. So like on camera it doesn't really show the color very well. It's still kind of sticky, but my activator is really light, so probably why. This is like so fun to play with. I love it. Oh, it's so crunchy. So let's go on to the next slime. So this is the Sour Blue Raspberry Crunchy Slime. And I bet since her favorite slime is crunchy slime, she's really good at making crunchy slime. So I am looking forward to this. Sorry about that. Okay. Whoa, this doesn't look sticky at all. It's like a butter crunchy. No way. It's so sizzly. I bet what she did is she swirled it into the container, and then when you take it out, it's like, oh my gosh, this is so nice. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. I would say that since it's a butter slime, it has to be a little bit stickier, so some of the foam beads do fall out. But that's okay, because the crunches of this make up for it all. And I like how there's an assortment of sizes in this. And the color on camera, it looks white, but it's actually like a light blue. This is like just like a really good slime to just do this with. It's like a really nice holdable slime. I wouldn't say it's very good for table play. And it has some yellow foam beads and white foam beads. You really cannot see it on this camera. My camera is really bad, so I'm really sorry. Yeah, it spreads like a butter slime. I think it is like a butter crunchy. But the name for this one is exactly what it is. It's like a sour, it's like a sour blue raspberry color, but And it's a crunchy slime, obviously. I actually forget what slimes I sent her, so yeah, I'm awesome. And I am truly sorry that I have not been able to post very often. Like, you have no idea how sorry I am. But I started school, and that is just. 5th grade is so hard. It's like really hard, especially for a person who has never done any tests before. It's been homeschooled since kindergarten, and yeah, just really hard. There's so much homework. You have to do, like, literally the homework is endless. So I really hope you guys are having a better time at school than I am. And I like school, actually. It's just really hard for me. So, yeah. Now you get to watch me eat the lollipop because I'm going to torture you with the ASMR. So, hi guys. That's my brother in the background. He's trying to photobomb. So, ignore him. I think, while I'm playing with the slime, I'll talk to y'all. And at the end, I will eat the lollipop. Alright. I think out of these two, I would say I like the red velvet one better. But, like, oh no. Seriously. Oh my, no. Are you serious? Stop. Stop! Oh my goodness. Gracious me. Oh my god. Okay. There you go. We're just gonna go with that. So out of these two slimes, I would say the red velvet is my favorite because it's like so stretchy and poppy and amazing. And I forgot to mention that both of these slimes are not scented, but that's okay because I don't think mine were. Maybe it was? I don't think so. And, yeah. Now, enjoy some face ASMR. Even though you can't even see the plate. Oh, actually, there you go. Actually, I'm using my lap desk. So, yeah. Oh. And then, okay. So, I just made this like perfect swirl. So amazing. So thank you guys for watching. And now you get to watch me eat a lollipop. Like, who doesn't want to watch a person eat a lollipop in front of them? Hey. Okay. It's gonna be a really long video, I'm sorry. But there will be lots of bloopers, right? And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you, Savannah, for sending me this package. It was amazing. I rate it 10 out of 10. You should definitely go purchase from her shop and my shop. You know, like those honeycomb eating things? Satisfying bubble pops. So guys, if you're still watching right now, well, you're going to have an experience of a lifetime. I'm going to put you in a slime bubble. Okay, you're in a slime bubble. How's it like? How was that like? I hope it was nice. Whoa! What? Bye! For good, hopefully. Unless there's more bloopers. I'm not sure. Wait, is it still recording? Oh my gosh. Oh my guys.
That was